Hey everyone, and welcome back to the channel. Are you tired of giving the same old generic gifts? Do you want to give something that's personal, thoughtful, and doesn't break the bank? Well, you've come to the right place. Today, we're diving into the wonderful world of personalized gift jars. They are super cute, incredibly easy to make, and so affordable. Let's get crafty. First things first, you need a jar. You can find these at craft stores, dollar stores, or you can even upcycle an old jam or pickle jar. Just make sure it's clean and the label is removed. A little soap and warm water usually does the trick. Now for the fun part, deciding on a theme. The possibilities are endless, but I'll share 3 of my favorite ideas to get you started. First up, the spa day in a jar. This is perfect for anyone who needs a little pampering. Fill your jar with things like a face mask, some luxurious bath salts, a small scented candle, a lip balm, and maybe a few nail polishes. You can find travel-sized versions of these items, which are perfect for fitting inside. Tie a ribbon around the lid and add a tag that says, "Time to relax and recharge." It's an instant hit. Next, let's create a movie night in a jar. This is a fantastic gift for friends, couples, or families. All you need is a packet of microwave popcorn, some of their favorite candy, and maybe even a gift card for a movie rental service. You could even print out a couple of Admit 1 tickets for a personal touch. It's a complete experience, all packed neatly into one cute jar. Finally, for the foodies in your life, how about a cookie mix in a jar? This one looks so impressive but is secretly simple. Layer the dry ingredients for your favorite cookie recipe: flour, sugar, brown sugar, chocolate chips, and so on. On a decorative tag, write down the baking instructions, including the wet ingredients they'll need to add, like eggs and butter. It's a delicious and interactive gift that keeps on giving, and there you have it. 3 simple, affordable, and heartfelt gift ideas. The best part about these jars is that you can customize them for anyone. Think about their hobbies and favorite things, and just have fun with it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed these ideas, please give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more creative DIY projects. Let me know in the comments which jar you're going to try first. See you in the next video.